Hi guys, good afternoon, and today we are going to review this screen protector. I bought it from Big W for $8 from $16, so it's a promo. It's half price. So this is because last time I went and bought one in a Chinese shop for $20 and it keeps breaking, it keeps cracking, so I just want to try this one. So let's open. So it's called Belkin. So let's have a look what's inside. It comes with a it comes in two, so it's 2 packs in one. So let's read the instruction first. Oh, it's got a cleaner. So this is the one. So it comes with a wrap, a cleaner. Oops, you have to clean it. Clean, make sure there's no dust everywhere. So let's try this cheap one if it's better than the expensive ones. So this is a good brand, it's Belkin. So that's good because it comes in 2 pieces in one packet. So if it breaks, then you have a spare one. Instruction here say so there's 2, that's 1. Clean screen, then oh, this is the instruction. 3/8. So these are the instruction. So the first thing you need to do is clean the screen, which we have done. Let's try again. That's clean enough. Now, dust removal sticker. So this is the dust removal sticker. So we'll just get rid of the dust. We can still use this next time. That's pretty good. Put it back. Now next, remove alignment sticker backing 2. So this is the packaging. And I don't understand this packaging.
While holding on to the number 8 tab, remove the bottom film by lift the screen protector until it is perpendicular with the screen of your device. While holding on to the number 8 tab, Remove the bottom film by pulling the number 5 tab.
Okay, continue.
Adhere the screen protector by slowly rolling it downward.
Oh, so that's the protector.
Now use the microfiber cloth to push out any air bubbles. Next, remove the top film by pulling number 8.
Bubbles. It's just bubbles.
We'll come in later.
Huh?
Yeah. And peel the bottom one. That's it. It's just going
Now,
to-
can you just dust that off for a sec? Wait, not that dust, no.
You said dust it.
That's the dust.
No, it doesn't. This is going to be failed.
That's the one.
Yep, peel that away.
Guys, got the...
Just got that. That's the one you don't want. The one you want in the back.
Okay, it come off.
That's it.
It's very crooked. It's very crooked. Okay, it's super crooked. Super crooked. That's okay.
Yeah, peel the top protector off first.
Hang on.
Peel the top protector off. Then you get the bubbles out.
You're very crooked, Giddy.
Do it now, it's on there.
It's not even middle.
Take it right off. Where's the spatula?
No, not that. This one.
Spatula, get the bubbles out.
That one? Ah, is that what it's for?
Yeah.
I use this instead.
How crooked is it?
Super crooked.
At least the camera never had a hole, which is good.
Hmm?
At least the camera never had a hole.
What's the bubbles in the middle? So many. Okay.
Which
Just
one?
show them how to take the bubbles off. How good is this? It's a big bubble.
So what would you rate that on easy to use? What are your thoughts?
It's easy to put. It just needs assistance.
So it's all good now?
That's alright.
Show it now.
10 minutes, but that needs editing. So that is... Hold on. It's pretty good. Protected.
For another couple of months.
It's even very crooked. Can we just take it off and put it back?
You get smudge all over it. The top part's The camera's covered, so it doesn't matter. One of us.
No, just open and then.
Oh my god. You try, but you're better find another one then.